Internal link suggestions, hidden opportunities for internal links at your fingertips, automatic hyperlinking, convert special keywords to links automatically, links to domain settings, apply global link attributes and behaviors to external links, link structure reports, discover your internal linking profile. These are some of Link Whisper's best features, but the tool is not for everyone. Folks who are just starting out with their blogging journey and those with baby size, Link Whisper is unfortunately not for them. In this full review of Link Whisper, we will cover its capabilities and practical application on internal linking. Let's go. What is Link Whisper? Link Whisper is an internal link building plugin for WordPress and Shopify. The tool uses natural language processing and several other technologies to fasten the process of internal linking. When you hear of Link Whisper, think of it as a tool for everything internal linking. Link Whisper's features review. The Link Whisper plugin for WordPress and Shopify has tons of features that streamline internal linking. Let's start with the primary one, inbound internal link suggestions. Internal link suggestions in Link Whisper is the core feature. When you take a quick hop to the homepage, it is the first thing they will advertise to you. The feature is like no other as it reviews internal linking opportunities in your content. Let's take a smart turn to the inbound link suggestion tool. Here we are. This tool will first detect opportunities in your content for internal linking. These anchor opportunities are then used to point to a certain page, thereby making them live internal links. Let's come again for greater understanding. The inbound link suggestions tool works on behalf of a specific page. Then internal linking opportunities are fetched from your other pages. These fetched anchor opportunities can then marry that specific page, making them internal links. Let's take this case. If you just published a new page and you're already burned out, no time to go back and build internal links from your other pages, you can take advantage of the inbound link suggestion tool. When you run your newly published post on Link Whisper, the app uses AI and your target keywords to match opportunities for internal links from your existing content. Link Whisper will provide you with a portion of your pages where opportunities are found, and you have super flexibility too. You can edit the anchor text opportunity if it does not meet your needs. Also, you can filter the suggested opportunities by keywords, allowing you to reach the ones you want easily. 2. Outbound internal link suggestions. Here we have another version of Link Whisper's internal link opportunity suggestions. Like we said, they are the core features of Link Whisper. Let's go check what it has to offer. The tool works as you write on WordPress. Link Whisper will typically use natural language processing and target keywords to match phrases to worthy pages as you do your stuff on WordPress. The tool is just a box displayed at the footer section of the WordPress editor. It consists of two parts. The one on the left contains anchors opportunities, which Link Whisper has extracted from your content. The parts at the right contains pages that should marry the anchors, making them internal links. You are then required to review the suggested opportunities and apply the ones that are right and on point to your content. Needless to say, Link Whisper is not a perfect tool. Therefore, a good portion of the suggestions can be nonsensical. It is within your control as a human to review and only apply relevant suggestions. If you are not happy with the suggested anchor, you can simply edit it with ease. The same goes to the proposed page. You can change it to another thing if it looks better there. 3. Internal links reports and analysis. Counting on top of Link Whisper's features is the reports on the state of internal links. Link Whisper will typically analyze each of your pages on WordPress, revealing details like inbound internal links, outbound internal links, and external links. Unlike some internal linking tools, Link Whisper does not only show you value counts, it fetches the links that are present on each page, and you can see it right under your nose. You have superior abilities. For example, you can change the links right from the tool without having to open the edit environment. What's next? You can also, from the same desktop, add inbound or outbound internal links to your pages. When you click on Add, Link Whisper will employ its regular way of suggesting internal linking opportunities. From the anchor opportunities, you can build more internal links fast. 4. Link to domains, reports, and settings. Link Whisper shows you all the domains you have pointed link juice to on your website. The pages where these domains appear are also listed. Furthermore, links, subdomains, and subfolders are classified following their root domains. From the post section, which houses the appearances of the domains, we can see the pages where the link to domains appeared. We can also edit these pages directly, or we can view them by using the other button. Coming to the links breakdown part of the report, we can see all the links of a given root domain, which we have used on our site. The anchor tags they use are also reviewed, and we can change many things from the desktop. For instance, we can choose to delete any link we want without having to open the page where it appeared. Let's now see how Link Whisper can be used to fix link attributes and behavior inconsistency issues on WordPress. For that, let's take this case. You are a blogger who uses WordPress. Each time you write a post, you will have to apply the right link attributes and behavior for external links, and you keep repeating this same process as you submit new posts. This process is overwhelming, and you can likely have inconsistency issues with the attributes you are applying. I brought you good news. You can use Link Whisper's links to domain settings to overcome this. As you can see, Link Whisper provides the option to set link attributes and behavior globally for each domain. To use this feature, first locate the root domain that you want. Then within the applied domain attributes section, you can set what you want. You can set domains to open new tab or not. You can set link attributes like do follow, no follow, or sponsored, and they will be applied globally. A shout out to Link Whisper for this amazing feature. It is a set once and forget process. Set this up and never repeat link attributes and behavior settings for external links. 5. Target keywords for refined link suggestions. As a way to deliver better internal linking opportunities, Link Whisper released a feature called the target keywords. These keywords are the focused phrases that you're trying to rank for in SERPs. When you set them up for your pages, it will be easy for Link Whisper to come up with an improved link suggestion quality. Therefore, this means less nonsensical outputs. There are many ways to set this up. If you have Rank Math or another SEO plugin, Link Whisper will import these keywords from them so that you don't have to repeat the process. We can also synchronize Google Search Console with the tool, and the keywords you are already ranking for, including LSI keywords, will be employed for better internal link suggestions. You can also configure further keywords for your pages. To do that, refer to the custom keywords column. From here, you can add keywords which you want Link Whisper to consider. In brevity, the target keyword section provides an easy way to manage the heartbeats of Link Whisper. You can update the primary keywords to change Link Whisper's perception for each page. Before we forget, you can also view organic data for your pages. You can see the number of clicks as well as the average page position. 6. Automatic linking. Link Whisper lets you convert a keyword to a link at the flip of a finger. To use this feature, simply specify a keyword along with the target URL, then click the next button to see the plugin perform the magic for you. If you are wondering what the results will look like, here is a great news. Link Whisper comes with the required filters and settings that regulate the flow of internal links. You can use settings like the priority rule to prefer one automatic link over another. The select links before inserting is the best rule, and this lets you review the automatic links before applying them on your site. When the select links before inserting rule is chosen, Link Whisper will go over to dictate all the appearances of your target keywords. Next, the plugin classifies them under the possible link section. When you expand it, you will see all the appearances and also the nearby context. From this, you can now apply the automatic links that are relevant and on point with your piece of content. 7. Search and replace feature. With the same idea of automated linking, Link Whisper lets you search for the existence of certain URLs on your website and subsequently replace them with new ones. To start, just specify the old page URL with respect to the new target page, then let Link Whisper do the rest for you. The tool, through the use of AI, will find the given URLs and replace them with the new paths you have provided. 8. Link clicks report. Link Whisper tracks link clicks on all our pages. This includes both internal and external link clicks. The plugin shows the reports for each of your pages. From the link clicks section, you can view the total clicks which your post has generated so far. When you expand this, Link Whisper shows you more details like the social link clicks since published date, clicks over the past 30 days, most clicked link. In this case, our link boss link has generated the most link clicks since the publication of that post. To go deeper into the report, we can click on View Detailed Click Report. Here we are. The Link Whisper WordPress plugin shows us a chart which illustrates the link clicks on our pages over a given period of time. When we scroll down, we can see URLs that have gained engagement, their anchor text, and the total number of hits on them. This data can be handy when prioritizing URLs over another on an engagement basis. 9. Broken links reports. In the same business of internal linking, Link Whisper finds the need to also have an eye on broken links. With the tool, you don't necessarily need another broken link plugin, as you can do almost the stuff a standalone broken link plugin does with Link Whisper. That said, Link Whisper scans for 40 broken links on your site and provides an easy solution to fix them. The plugin fetches the victimized pages that contain the broken URLs. It shows the anchor text in use, the sentence that surrounds the anchor, the type of the broken link, that is whether external or internal, the link status, which reports the exact state of the broken links. You should be thinking of 404 not span, link format error, connection failed, and that kind of stuff. The tool also shows us the date and time when these 40 links were found. Just like in Broken Links plugin, we can do the edits right from here without having to open our pages. 10. Other useful Link Whisper abilities. Link Whisper is a solution created to revolutionize internal linking, and it performs greatly in its line of business. Aside from the fabulous features we explored, Link Whisper can do a whole lot. For instance, the tool comes with a related post widget, which you can enable on your site. If you have been going through on how to include an arrow sign to all your external links, Link Whisper comes with that. Let's use Quora for example. When there is an external link in a content, the arrow icon is attached automatically, telling users what to expect when they hit the link. You can come up with search using Link Whisper, and the tool gives you many variations to choose from. Link Whisper also allows you to export the links report to CSV, allowing you to use the plugin's data even outside WordPress. 11. Link Whisper settings and controls. The settings section of Link Whisper will enable you to tweak the output you need. You can specify vague keywords, which Link Whisper should ignore when suggesting internal linking opportunities. The tool comes with a long list of them though, and you still have options to include more. If you still want to use your Broken Link plugin, you can disable Link Whisper's all on here, thereby saving a lot of resources. In the pursuit of customizing the internal link suggestions, you can also specify the number of sentences that Link Whisper should skip when considering internal linking. If you choose a value, then Link Whisper will obey it when you run its service in the future. Placing hyperlinks in closed sentences is not good. Thankfully, Link Whisper gives us the option that we need. We can still do a whole lot with the settings. Let's begin to conclude. Who should use Link Whisper? If you are someone with lots of pages to manage, Link Whisper will serve you greatly. Blogs with moderate quantity of blog posts, blogs with high publishing frequency, Link Whisper has been created for you all. If you are just starting out with blogging, or you are in the market for a solution that can serve a new site, then Link Whisper is unfortunately not for you. Link Whisper is for big sites. 100 pages and more is what it takes to make the most of the tool. If you have not hit 100 pages yet, you can still run Link Whisper. Besides, we started using the tool when we are still under 50 pages, but bear in mind that the primary feature, that is internal link suggestion, works better with dozens of pages. Start using Link Whisper today. Find and make use of internal linking opportunities without opening your pages one by one. Semi-automate the process of internal link building and save yourself a whole lot of time. Save the time it takes building relevant internal links. Fully automate some parts of link building such as automatic keyword to link conversion and URL replacement. Never repeat the same link attributes and behaviors for domains. Just set it up and forget using Link Whisper. Feel the breeze of clever internal link structure reports and analysis. Easily find pages that can use some link juice and quickly build relevant internal links using suggested opportunities. Take down your Broken Link plugin to save more bandwidth and to ease the load and overall loading times. Import your already set target keywords from your favorite SEO plugin and never repeat it again. Link Whisper is the best of the best. That is the truth you should know. While there are now several competitors, Link Whisper shines when it comes to overall performance and the quality of the suggested links. We have already reviewed all Link Whisper's alternatives, and while we find no change with them, Link Whisper makes the best overall internal linking tool. If you would like to check how Link Whisper compares to others, check the links in the description. Otherwise, use our coupon code ZLOVE alongside the creator link on the screen to get $15 off.